This video is about assembling the double nasal mask. Here you can see the inner mask. Before and after cleaning, as well as during sedation, it is important to ensure that the membrane is correctly seated on the inner mask. Here you can see the small pin onto which you can place the membrane. When inserting the inner mask into the outer mask, it is important to hold the outer mask by the reinforced ends, not in the middle. When inserted correctly, you will hear the typical soft clicking sound.